Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Resin Me Up. Guess what today is? Today is October 1st. What does that mean for you? That means 31 days of Halloween. So let's get our spooky on. So this is my little display that I have at the back of my table. So as you can see, I went all out. And can you guess what the theme is this year? Pumpkins! And I added in some little witches because, you know, why not? Witches are fun and they go along with, you know, pumpkins and Halloween. So, and, you know, I just couldn't resist. Look. Aren't they adorable? I'm thinking about making molds of those. Wouldn't those be just adorbs? So this year is going to be a little bit different for my 31 days of Halloween. I had a couple people ask if they could join in on my 31 days. Well, I've never done that before, so I thought about it and I decided, why not? The more the merrier. So this year we're going to have a couple people join in and we're going to make this a collaboration. And so Marva from Marvelous Artsy and Laura from Laura's Design Studio decided that they wanted to join in on my 31 days of Halloween. So they are going to create something for 31 days of Halloween. Now, I don't know if they're going to do the full 31 days, but if they do, that's great. If they don't, that's fine too. But I will be doing my normal 31 days of Halloween. So I will be linking a playlist in my description box every day and include their videos as well. I may even utilize the new tool that YouTube has put out, and that is a collaboration that you can use. And you can have up to 5 people added to that collaboration. So I may do that, and that will automatically add those people to your collaboration. So I read up on that last night, and it seems pretty easy. So I may do that too. So let me get all of my items ready for today, because today is also coasting through the week. So we have to go with that collaboration as well. So let me get something together for today. And today will kick off my 31 days of Halloween. So get your coffee, get your soda, get your whatever, and sit back and relax. And we'll get our spooky on. Okay? Be right back. Okay, y'all. So here's what we're doing today. We are doing the skull molds from Let's Resin. I don't have any Let's Resin, so today I'm going to be using the Bond Crafter 4-hour fast cure. And in a little bit, I'll go over what you get in that box, but I've already got the resin mixed up, so I want to get it in these. And I've mixed up their resin, and I've mixed up using their black mica powder that you get in their kit. And I have mixed in some Super Sparkle Silver. And we're going to go ahead and get these poured. they are all full and I have a little bit left. So we can use something else. Mess to clean up afterwards, and then we will be back on demold and we'll finish up. Okay, see ya. Okay, y'all, welcome back. These are ready. Think. Let's check them out. I'm going to let these cool off a little bit while we work on what we're going to do with these, so that can cool off just a tidge. Okay, are you guys ready to see what we're going to do? We are going to put brains in these guys. And this is, let me find my, they glow in the dark. I'll have to show you once I get them on there. But anyway, they're going to go right here on every single one of them. And the vinyl is glow in the dark, and they really do glow in the dark. A couple of years ago, I made some cute little Halloween coasters, and I used the glow in the dark vinyl, and they glow really bright. So let me get my perfect. I think it's going to be backwards. I should have flipped them. Oh well. We'll put them on there anyway. Technically, they should have been the other direction, right? Okay, let me get these on here and I will BRB, okay? Okay, done. Okay, so to top these, let's see if this is ready to put in here. Let's see how this works. There. Couldn't get it in there. Make sure I don't have any. This one should be good. Well, it's supposed to fit in there tight, so that's a good thing. So that's what that looks like. And then these, I guess, slide down inside there, but they're still a little too bendy for that. So that's what that looks like. Just like that. All right. So basically these just need a top coat. And I am just going to UV resin them to save time. Because I know I don't need very much. Okay, I think that does it. Let me grab my UV light. Get these cured up and I'll be right back. What do you think? Can you see them? They need to be charged by sunlight for sure. And I don't think my UV light is good enough. I'm trying to find my other one. Yeah, I mean, it'll do it, but they need to be charged by sunlight for sure. But once they're charged, let me turn the light back on. So these are my skeleton coasters for coasting through the week. Now, the rest of this week will be pumpkin themed for my 31 days of Halloween. I only did these today because I didn't have anything pumpkin themed for coasting through the week. So yeah, so that's my video for coasting through the week. And so tomorrow technically will officially start my pumpkin themed videos for coasting through the week. So turned out pretty nice. All right, y'all. Well, that is it for my coasting through the week video. And remember, the collaboration for coasting through the week is for between myself, Marva at Marvelous Artsy. It is with Tammy at Epoxy Me That and Laura at Laura's Design Center, or Studio, not Center, Laura's Design Studio. And every week we create videos that have to do with coasters. We create something. And so, yeah, if you'd like to join our collaboration, just give me an email, send me an email, let me know you'd want to join, and we'll throw you in there. I'll put the playlist in the description box so you can go out and see who has joined. I know Tim has. I haven't seen any other videos out there today, but I haven't looked either. So, yeah. All right, y'all. Remember, stay curious, stay creative, stay kind, be kind, and we'll see you tomorrow for day number 2 for 31 Days of Halloween. Stay spooky. Bye.